Okay, I'm in the back end of Viral Dashboard. I want to show you how quickly, once you have created your content, how quick it is to post to various social media accounts. I've been using this tool for a long time. It does a great job at what I use it for and posting to 4 to 5 various social media accounts. I set this content up and it just like set it up in here and post, and it's very quick to do. We're going to go ahead and show you. I'm not going to go into all the details of setting all this up, but I've already got my social posts ready. So once I've got my link and social post and hashtags, I used AI for a lot of this. I've already created a video that's been uploaded, that's ready to go. So to post on here, it's super easy to do. Hold on, I can't remember if I did that one or not. So we're just going to copy the post, create new. It's going to open up a composer screen. And all I'm going to do is copy and paste this in. Obviously, you have to set up your social accounts and all that kind of stuff in here. I'm going to go ahead and shorten the link. But I used AI to create the content here for social media for what I wanted to do using a different program. But I'm going to click on Uploads. Go grab an image that I've already done, which I also created using a tool that I have access to, a couple different tools to create the images. So it's loading that up. Once it loads, I'm going to go ahead and click it over here to the left. Okay, we're looking good there. I'm going to click on, can't quite see it, I'm in the way. Myself up here. Actually down here is probably better. So I've got that all set. This is set up with enough characters for Twitter and other accounts. I kind of keep it all at the Twitter level. And I've already got my accounts set up, so I'm going to just click on those. Got LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter, and Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. You can do other social media content sites as well. Because I've already customized this to be under the Twitter, I don't get any. Sometimes you'll get a little mark over here that will show you you've got too many characters in there. And I could customize into them individually, but I just want to get this content out. Okay, so I'm going to click on Schedule Post. I've already scheduled into Tuesday, so I'm going to go into Tuesday. I'm going to go mid-afternoon, Schedule Post, done, create new. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste what I've got here that I've already set up. Copy and paste it. Shorten, upload, and then go into my images that I've already created for this project. It's going to load. So this will allow you to get your content out quickly to various social media sites. I'm going to go ahead. I don't have Instagram on this one, so I didn't use that, but you could use Instagram as well. I'm going to go ahead, click on the image that's been loaded, click next. My accounts, Twitter, LinkedIn organization, never pay full price. Click next. Next, I'm not going to customize this. You could obviously go in and make longer posts for certain sites. Schedule. I'm going to go to the 13th now. Pick my time, 10 a.m., 10:35, schedule, done. So that's how quick and easy you can create postings. These will all go out and on the scheduled time. So I actually have a job where I'm gone a lot during the week, so I don't have time to do this. On the weekends, I'll upload a bunch of stuff that I want to go out and put out to social media, and I use Viral Dashboard to do that. If you're interested in getting an account with Viral Dashboard free, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to set you up for a trial account where you can go in and try it out for yourself and see if it might work in your business. No cost. But I'll give you at least 14 days to check it out, and if you like it, I'll make you a deal on it that is very affordable, either a one-time or a low monthly fee, either way. So you can get access to this. There's a lot more in here that I'm not going into. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to post to your social media accounts. All right, thanks for watching.